Welcome back, coding stars! Today, we're diving into something magical and super fun, storytelling with Scratch. Have you ever dreamed of creating your own story, where characters come to life, move, talk, and even have adventures? Well, today's your chance. Let's unleash that amazing imagination of yours and learn how to turn your ideas into a real digital story. What is storytelling in coding? Storytelling in coding means using instructions and animations to share creative stories through characters, scenes, and actions. Think of yourself as both an author and a director. Instead of paper and ink, you'll use Scratch blocks to design your characters and make them move. And guess what? The best part about coding your stories is that you can make your characters fly, dance, or even have a dance battle if you want. Brainstorming story ideas. Every great story starts with a fun idea. Here's how to come up with one. Who are your characters? Maybe a friendly dragon and a brave girl, or a talking penguin and a clever robot. Where does your story happen? In a magical forest, a colorful underwater world, or even outer space? What happens in your story? Maybe the characters solve a mystery, go on an adventure, or learn an important lesson about teamwork. Why not create a story where a butterfly teaches a wizard how to fly? Use Scratch to build this fun scenario. Creating your story in Scratch. Open the Scratch website. Link in the description. Click the Choose a Sprite button and pick your characters. You can even draw your own. Design the scene, backdrop. Click the Choose a Backdrop button to set the stage for your story. Pick a magical forest, a futuristic city, or create your own scene. Use motion and looks blocks to animate. Use the glide block to make your character walk or glide. Add a say block to make your character talk. For example, if the wizard meets the butterfly, add a speech block that says, "Wow, you can teach me how to fly?" Now here is your mission. Finish your story by adding fun twists. Maybe a friendly dragon joins the adventure. Be as creative as you want. That's it for today, coding stars. Don't forget to test your project, debug it if needed, and share it with friends. Your stories deserve to shine. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding magic. See you next time.